y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, gonna be something cool, you know what I'm saying? Not too much, not too yeah, I don't know what I'm saying, son. But as you can read by the title above or below my head, I actually don't know what the title is, so bear with me. But today's video is gonna be a video basically going back and show you guys where I come from, my beginning with cars and stuff like that. Give you guys like a brief history of like how I got into cars, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to make it too boring. I'm trying to make it as entertaining as possible. Honestly, not having a car and being an automotive YouTuber, you really don't have content. Like, I have some comedy videos to post, but I'm afraid to post them because I've been doing so good, bro. Like, most of my videos right now have been killing it, son. I'm getting like 1,600 likes per video, and it's like if I post something that's like not car related, it's gonna be like 200 likes. Now, I don't care about likes, but it's pretty cool to see that the engagement I have on my videos now. Like, you guys have really been killing it, son, and I've been giving you whack videos. I'm so sorry, but when the car's out, trust me, it's gonna be amazing. Install videos, freaking photo shoots, video type shoots. Oh man, it's gonna be dope. So to kick off this video, let's roll it back to 2014, February 16th, where I went down to West Palm Beach to pick up my first car. Now this right here will tell you guys how much car knowledge I had at the time. Hell, I don't even have any car knowledge now, but you will see how far I've come. So enough of me yip-yapping, roll the footage. Well, me and Regis on our way to probably get this car. Say what's up, Regis.
Yo.
And we're just on the way to West Palm to look at this 98 Civic Coupe automatic. Sorry I can't be stick. I know. Very disappointed, but for $1,300, hopefully it can not give me problems. Long day, right, Regis?
Very long day.
Got a car. I got a 95 Civic EK. Homeboy say he got an EK. Show me EG.
What's an EK?
It's like a type of model of the Civic.
Really?
Yeah, it's like an EK, EG, HX, DX.
I heard DX. I heard of LX.
But yeah, it's a stick shift, 5-speed, sunroof. Everything is stock on it, so you know your boy's gonna do some work to it. So moving forward, after this, I did my first Zosh's EG Coupe build video, and that's pretty much what started everything. That's how I met Randy. Fun fact! When I was gonna look for cars, the first car I was supposed to get was a 92 Prelude with a H22A JDM swap, something like that. And that's how I met Randy, because his cousin was a friend of mine, and we linked up, and then Randy drove me to look at the Lude, and the guy sold it on me. Then shortly after, I picked up the EG, and then the rest is history. Me and Randy became good friends through the EG because I had a problem with like the sunroof wouldn't open, and I thought the sunroof was broken, so I took it to Randy's house, and ever since that day, I've been to his house every single day for the past 4 years since I've known Randy. Good times, good times. Dun 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 dun. This is my baby. This is my baby. So this video was taken months after I got the car. This was in May. So I did a couple changes to the car. In the beginning, you see the JDM tow hook. It was a PW JDM tow hook. I felt cool. Got a little ricey fart can in the back. I lowered it on some, I think Monroe lowering springs I had. It was a bad ride. But other than that, the car was great. I don't know if I talked about it in this video, but I had carbon fiber door handles. I felt like the coolest dude in the world with the carbon fiber door handles. I was like, yo, I'm sick! The date is September 13th, 2014, and this is Zosh's EG Coupe Part Deuce, baby. This is another update video I did showing what's been done to the car. As you guys will see, your boy did get new wheels, you know what I'm saying? I've been a part of the Rhoda Master gang forever. So Rhoda, if you're watching this video and you're like, damn, somebody love our Rhoda Masters. Look, that's me. That's me, Rhoda. That's me. You know what I'm saying? So you want to get in contact and like, talk some, you know what I'm saying, some boss mogul moves and hit your boy up. Because I've been a part of the Rhoda Master gang for 4 years now, son. 4 years I've been on Rhoda Masters. You know what I'm saying? The least y'all can do is acknowledge it. Alright, welcome to my part 2 video of my Zosh's EG Coupe. And I got some minor adjustments made. As you can see, I'm lowered more. I'm on front, have skunk tooth coilover sleeves with Coney struts. I got my amber corners in. I got my fog lights in. I got a Mugen lip. It's an eBay lip, so if it was real, it'd be plastic. It's just rubber. polyurethane, whatever. Now my wheels, I'm running Rota slips with spoon stickers because I'm a nah, I got them like this from a friend. Hey, at least I was being honest, bro. At least I told y'all I had Rota slips. I could have been one of them hot boys and been like, yeah, son, what I got is some Desmond Reagan Master Evos, B. But you know your boy ain't rocking fake wheels, you know what I'm saying? I got Rota Masters, baby. I got the OGs. And hopefully I'm gonna trade them for some Rota Group N wheels for my dog. And show you the interior, because I got new interior. Well, not really, but I got Integra seats, stock steering wheel still. I got a 6-speed shifter, because you know your boy dropped the K series in the hood. Open my hood so I can show you guys. And yes, I stayed dirty. Anybody want some OEM Stanley corner lights? Hit me up, boy. Got Slim Jim wrappers, backpack, school crap, a whack ass radio still. And I'm show you guys under the hood, and I'll take you guys to the back. I got a engine intake. I'm gonna get the little thing for that little whatever. I got a Spectra filter, Dr. Clips, and everything's still the same. My power steering is pretty crap right now, and that's pretty much it. And show you guys the rear. My rear setup is eBay coils on Coney struts, which is kind of gay. All right, now the back. Oh, the back. Hold up. I gotta do that because you know your boy. ain't trying to have these girls come to my house. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Gotta get my bumper repainted, dog. This shit gay. But overall view of my vehicle, it's not that bad looking. It's all right. Well, October 22nd, 6 days before I let go of Suki. That was the EG's name. Her name was Suki the EG. I let her go, boys. So this is the last update video I had of the car. It was in its final form. Rewatching these videos and seeing how far I've come within myself and like the car knowledge I've had, it's crazy, dog. Like I've learned so much over the past 4 years. It's crazy. Like I could really be a shade tree mechanic if I wanted. It's crazy, bro. It's honestly crazy. But check out the last update video of Suki the EG. What's up, guys? This is the updated version of Zosh's EG Coupe. And what changed? Seats. Shit's still dirty. My shift knob. And that's it, pretty much. Wheels. Wheels. Wheels! Let's go to Mai's car. You on video. You on video. You have the crust bucket. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. This has been the Zosh EG crust rust bucket. Nah, I ain't got no rust, but it's crust. And see you guys next video. I love you guys. I'm out. And that's pretty much the build of Suki the EG, boy. No. Wait 1 second. I hope that wasn't racist. But I have one more clip of the car rolling, actually. Me and Randy did a skit a long time ago, and I filmed the intro of me rolling into his driveway. So check this house, hon. Was clean. I can humbly say I had like the cleanest EG in my town. I miss that car, bro. I really wish I would have kept the EG, but then I wouldn't have the Integra I have today. And it's like the Integra taught me so much like life lessons. It's ridiculous. Like I learned so much on how to work on the car, but I really wish I would have kept the EG, man. It was a gift from my mom. She gave me $1,500 for like my Christmas gift, birthday gift, graduation gift, being alive gift. Like that car meant a lot of gifts. And you know, my mom's a single mom, so it's like getting me that car, you know, and me trading it for the Integra and going through, then blowing the Integra like a month after. It was a big slap in the face to her, and I really wish I would have kept the EG. But I'm happy with the decision I made of getting rid of it and getting the Integra. But man, that EG was clean, boy. That freaking single cam was moving. Had a D16 Z6 in it, and bro, that motor is like the best single cam motor ever made. The Y8 is cool and all, but the Z6, bro, the Z6, bro. Best motor ever, son. Best motor ever. But that's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you could you please smack that like button for you. Oh my God, I'm getting too obnoxious in my outros. Thank you guys for watching. I will catch you guys when I catch you guys like a football player. What? Let me ask you guys a question. Who played the best Spider-Man? Tobey Maguire or Andrew Garfield? I say Tobey Maguire because he's the GOAT. But Spider-Man 3 did suck. But who played the best Spider-Man? Huh?